Detoxification fads. Is there false hope? In recent decades, there has been a trend in the fads of dieting, and it is actually no different in the world of detoxification advocates. For those who continue to push detoxification diets, there are a whole range of issues that they are not thinking about. For example, before one continues or starts a detox diet, then everything about that person must be taken into consideration: his or her current diet, weight, current state of health, as well as body size and age. There may be some type of benefits that certain people experience by performing a detoxification diet in their lives, but let's look at the ways in which there is false hope with the issue of detoxification. 1. Detoxification will not cure your. There are many people who are suffering from major diseases and sickness, like certain types of cancer or other incurable diseases. However, the detoxification world makes everything out to be so simple that they put too much weight on some of the benefits of detox diets. If a person has been suffering from lung cancer for quite some time and sees advertisements for a total body detoxification and restoration product, then he or she may easily buy into the false hope that is being presented. Even though there are many benefits that a detox plan can help with, individuals have to realize that detoxifying your body will not help with any incurable diseases, types of cancers, and other ailments. Even though detoxification advertisements may make the issue out to be that detox drugs and therapies are the wonder drug of the century, this idea is certainly not true. 2. Detoxification will not lose weight for you. Another issue that many people need to take a step back and realize is that detoxification diets will not help you lose weight unless you change your lifestyle. Even though there are some advocates of detoxification systems that pretty much say everything to the contrary, weight loss will only take place if you give yourself a healthy change in lifestyle for the better. An example of this would be someone who is overweight but continues to eat the fast food restaurant that is all over the city. For him or her, a detoxification system may be needed. However, it won't automatically help him or her to lose weight overnight. On the contrary, fast food needs to be eliminated in that diet, and only then will be experienced true weight loss. All in all, it seems as thought the detoxification diets are truly a fad that needs to go away. Even though they are a good system for those who already have a healthy lifestyle and are not sick, it is so easy to understand how advertisements of different detoxification systems can emit false hope in the dark of the night. If you truly want a healthy body, then you must strive for it, because there is certainly no miracle trick, like the detox fads, that will accomplish that for you.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.